Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class 8th subject biological science NS class 8th question paper with answer discuss this paper and the key download to the telegram group link on the description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to Manish sir YouTube channel. Let's start the paper with the key. Section 1 multiple choice question. Note answer all question. Each question carries 1 marks. 10 cross 1 equal to 10 marks. Identify the carrier of dengue virus. Option A female Anopheles mosquito. Option B female Aedes mosquito. Option C housefly. Option D cockroach. Which one answer? Answer is the option B female Aedes mosquito. Question number 2. Which of the following is a kharif crop? Option wheat, gram, groundnut, pea. Correct answer groundnut. Option C is the right answer of the question 2. Question 3. Yeast is used in production of sugar, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, oxygen. Answer alcohol. Question number 4. The bacteria found in the root nodules of leguminous plant is Lactobacillus rhizobium E. coli yeast. Answer is the rhizobium is the correct answer. Question number 5. Internal fertilization occur in female body, outside female body, in male body, outside male body. In female body is the correct answer. Identify the modern method of irrigation. Moat, Dhekli, sprinkler system, Rahat. Answer sprinkler system is the correct answer. Next question. The number of nuclei present in a zygote. None. 1, 2, 4. Answer 1 is the correct answer. Next question number 8. Which of the following is not method of food preservation? Salting, drying, boiling, plugging. Answer plugging. Next question number 9. A sexual reproduction hydra takes place binary fission, budding, fermentation, cloning. Answer budding is the right answer. Question number 10. Separation of grain from chaff is called winnowing, harvesting, threshing, sowing. Answer is winnowing is the right answer of the 10th question. Very short answer question. Question number 11. Write any two use of plugging. Question number 12. What are antibiotics? Name the scientist who discovered penicillin. Define metamorphosis. Give two example. And the short answer question. Question number 14. Write the procedure to separate good quality seeds from bad quality seeds. Draw a neat label diagram of binary fission in amoeba. 8 marks question. 16th A. Differentiate between fertilizers and manners. Internal of the question. Explain various method of food preservation. 17th A. Explain the difference between viviparous and oviparous animal with the example. And the internal of the 17th question. What is irrigation? Describe two method of irrigation which conserve water. Now to the start answer. First answer is a B. Female Aedes mosquito. Second C option groundnut. Third one is a B option alcohol. Fourth answer B rhizobium. Fifth is a female body. Sixth is a sprinkler system. Seventh one zygote is a single cell formed by the fusion of male and female gametes. Eighth answer is option D plugging. Plugging is a soil preparation, not preservation. Budding is the ninth answer. Winnowing. Threshing loosen the grain. Winnowing separate grains from the chaff. Section 2 very short answer question. uses of plugging it loosen and turn the soil, which help roots penetrate deep. Second one, it help the growth of earthworms and friendly microbes. It help in removing weeds. Question number 12, antibiotic and penicillin. Medicine that kill or stop the growth of disease causing microorganisms are called antibiotics. Scientist Alexander Fleming. Metamorphosis, the drastic change which transform a larva into an adult is called metamorphosis. An example, frog, silkworm, butterfly. Question number 14. Procedure to separate goods is take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of seeds, example wheat or gram, into the beaker. Stir well and wait for some times. Observation, good quality of seed are heavy and sink to the bottom, and damaged and hollow seeds float on water. Binary fission of amoeba. Parent amoeba, elongation of nucleus, division of nucleus and the cytoplasm to daughter cells. This is a mother amoeba, and pseudopodia are pulled in, nucleus divides, cytoplasm divides, and daughter amoeba is formed. Now the next question, number 16th A, fertilizers and manures difference. It is a man-made inorganic salt. Manure, it is a natural substance obtained by decomposition of cattle dungs, plant residues, prepared in factories, prepared in field, does not provide any human to the soil, any humus to the soil, provide a lot of humus to the soil, very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, relatively less rich in plant nutrients. And this one is the internal of the question. Method of food preservation, viviparous and oviparous difference. The animal which give birth to young ones directly, the animal which lay eggs. Development of embryo takes place inside the female body. Development of the embryo take place outside the female body inside the egg. Example, humans, cow, dogs. Example, hens, frog, lizards. This is the oviparous and the viviparous difference. And the internal of the question, irrigation and conservation method. Irrigation, the supply of water to crop at regular interval is called irrigation. First one is a sprinkler system useful for uneven land, perpendicular pipes with rotating nozzles sprinkle water like rain. Drip irrigation, water falls drop by drop directly near the roots. It is the best technique for the fruit plant and save water effectively. This is a very important question for the exam. This is a must question and prepare the exam. Thank you so much watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to Manish Sir YouTube channel. Thank you so much.